Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Nothing Ears with your PC. You have to start by clicking at the Windows button and write Bluetooth. Now enter and then click Add Device. Bluetooth. Then open the charging case and press and hold connection button for at least 3 seconds. Here we go, this LED light is blinking, so we should see it on the Add the Device list. Now click on it and then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!